Hi everyone. In this video, when I'm done with that how to be the leader video, I found out that when I punch metal stuffs that don't explode, it does not work. I don't be the commander, so I hope you enjoyed this video. It takes some time to do it, so just wait. So I think you punch that here, and then you just wait. Is it starting, please? Whoa, I'm the medic. Wow. Wow, mathematic. Using soda. Soda. Using soda. Oh my gosh, they took the airdrop. Oh my gosh. Gosh, this is so dangerous here. My gosh, there's a lot of airstrikes. No, my medic died. Oh my gosh. Let's play again. Oh. So, I think I investigated. Like, if you see like this monkey bar, you should punch in the top left corner, not in the other corners. Okay? So if it's like a big round thing, a silo, you can punch anywhere on the seal. Oh my gosh, Igor. What are you doing, Igor? I hope it be something. This time, nothing. Let's punch this container. See if it works. But be the leader, please. Please, I hope I be the leader. Starting be the leader. Leader, please. Whoa, I'm the bugler right now. Woohoo. Now I have perks now. Now bugler. So right now I have a last breath. When you die, nearby aliens are blood's looted in a short period of time. Your bugler can call grants nearby aliens a short burst of speed. Hey guy. Fucking green guy. There might be some gluten. Hey, are you taking a nap in that bathroom, please? This is disgusting. Okay. Go out. Time for fighting. Oh my gosh, she knocked out with mostly nugget. So this is part 1. Bye.